Hey, it's Seth the Rough Country. Having a winch on your UTV is one of the most important pieces of recovery gear you can have, and so that's exactly why we've made our Rough Country winch mount for the Polaris RZR Pro R. We've made this winch plate with extremely durable steel, also being powder coated to withstand the elements, as well as having an aggressive look for the front end of your Pro R. And this mount pairs perfectly with Rough Country's Pro Series winch line. Not only does this mount give you winch capabilities, it also gives you lighting opportunities with the ability to mount Rough Country's 10-inch slimline light bar. And everything you need for installation is included in this package, from your lighting harness to your bracketry to the hardware to install. So don't get stuck outdoors or off-road without a winch. Make sure you have Rough Country's winch plate for the Polaris RZR Pro R. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more content. Find more inspiration for your UTV with our vehicle gallery, and check out all of the Rough Country's UTV accessories at roughcountry.com.